Okay, so in this video we're going to start drawing the boundaries on, and the boundaries we're going to start with is the thrust, and that's because things terminate against the thrust. I just need to stop editing here because I was previously editing, so don't worry about that. So it's best to do these things in the data view. So I'll click down in the bottom left hand here and I go to data view. And then I can zoom in where we're going to put the thrust, and that's going to be over here. So we're going to put this thrust on. Okay. So I want to basically I need to start editing. So I click on the editor menu and I do start editing, and I want to edit the thrusts. So that's this one in here. So I click OK. And I've got two levels of, I've got a definite thrust contact and an inferred thrust contact. And mostly along this length it's inferred, but there might be some definite parts of it, so you could change along the length this character going between inferred and definite, but I'm just going to do it all as inferred to start with here. So I'm going to do an inferred thing here. And what you see is if I draw the thrust from the top to the bottom, then the hanging wall will be on the right hand side, and that's correct for this case. So as I draw them along here, I will get the ticks on the right hand side, noting which side the hanging wall is on. So if I start drawing that, I can start on here. So I can click along the line, and I'm just doing a bunch of straight line segments. That's what this tool is here. So it does straight line segments. Okay, and so I need to put more of them, and I can use less of them where the boundary is straighter. So just keep working our way along the boundary. And then when I've finished, I do a double click, and then that will finish it. Okay, and then it's good at each one to save your edits. Okay, and if I start drawing this one from the bottom and go this way, the ticks will appear on the wrong side. So I want to go back to the top and start drawing it from this end. Okay. So again, it's going to be an inferred contact, an inferred thrust. And I just click along. Okay, and again double click. Just to show you how I can let's just save my edits first before I make a mistake, and show how I can correct it if I do it the wrong way. I'll show you how to do that. So what I can do is I can start at this end, and click, and you can see that the ticks are appearing on the wrong side of the line. But if I keep on going, I'll just go all the way along it. And then when I get to the end, rather than double clicking, what I want to do is then move to the middle of the segment, right click, and there's this thing called flip. Okay, and then we need to go back to the other end of the line, and you can see now it's put the ticks on the right side, but we need to go back to the other end of the line to finish off. Okay, there we go, and we've put all our 3 thrusts on. Remember to save your edits, okay, and then I can stop editing, and then I can go back to my outline view, put it back to 10,000 scale, okay, move my map to be roughly where I want it to be, something like this. Okay, I can turn off the field maps. You can see we've got our thrusts marked on. The next video I'm going to show you how to put on the axial traces.